Find or read reviews that people are talking about Tixahi ab roller wheel with timer automatic rebound abdominal wheel, elbow support ABS roller wheel core exercise equipment. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that abdominal exercise machine / flat support machine in one. Scientific force, automatic rebound, easy to use. 5 layers of anti-slip materials, anti-noise and wear resistant, anti-slip layer, reinforcement layer, shock absorption layer, noise reduction layer, support layer. Automatic rebound design. Arab roller with automatic rebound technology, automatic steel rebound, intelligent auxiliary brake, built-in brake system, steel rebound more smoothly. Double wheel design. This exercise ABS roller has a wider front and back 2 wheels for smooth rolling and better control. It helps you work out every muscle and in your core, and at the same time provides safer control of your body, especially for beginners. Excellent workmanship. This rebounding roller is made of stable, eco-friendly plastic with sponge grips that are non-slip, sweat absorbent, comfortable, fade resistant, durable, won't make noise or scratch the floor, and provide longer. Grow 6-packs faster and safer. The amazing ABS roller kit helps men and women burn fat faster and sculpt your 6-pack. This roller is specifically designed to tone your body. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.